Hello, I wanted to show you these acrylic drawers that I picked up from Amazon. So it was one, two, and three. So this is one part, this is another part, and this is another part. So I'm gonna show you the top part. It's for cosmetics, but I'm using it for my Heidi Swapp items, my kits of the month. So the top one, I wasn't gonna use it, but then when I noticed that these were sitting right here loose, so I put my diamond dots in here, and there's also another opening here and here, and then the diamond dots are up here, and then this individual for lipsticks. But I think I'm gonna put like little the Nuvo drops in there, maybe, because I don't know if the light or the heat from the window will affect that. So the first drawer, let me stand up. The first drawer, I have miscellaneous stickers from the kit of Heidi Swapp and other things, like the big envelopes that doesn't fit in the drawer over here, and some other stencils that she has out that came in the kit, and some offers in plastic. And so hopefully this will make me use it more. And then here are all of her cards, these hard cards, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch, different types. And then here is more cards, tags that are hard, envelopes, dividers, and more hard dividers, and these little cards that are hard also. And then in this drawer is pretty thick, and here are all of her pockets, her little pockets that she has given throughout the month kit. So it's pockets like this. Some are vellum, some are regular card pockets, and these are all of them. I haven't used not one. And then in this drawer is all the washi tapes that are in the kit. I have another drawer that's coming like this, big, because I still have some of the kits in these bags. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in one the dies that I bought from her that makes these pockets that were in here. So I bought the dies to make my own pockets, which I'm gonna put in that drawer. I think it comes with one of these and one of these, one of these and one of these. I'm hoping it does, because I need another drawer to put the dies in. And then these stickers, I still have stickers in this packet, and these are all the offers, and these are the books that she had that you buy separate from the kits. So I want to put them all in these acrylic drawers here, and hopefully it could go underneath this one. So I'm hoping that that's the case, that everything could go underneath this, so it'll be higher up, because here is where I have my other acrylic drawers. And these are little divider ones, which are empty, and none of this fits in there. So I'm thinking maybe the little stickers or washi, I might put it in here to empty out that drawer of here. I might put them in these two. So if these two fit here, I'll leave it like that. So we'll see. So I'll show you the rest of the acrylic drawers when they come in. And I also have let me swing around, let me swing them around to my desk and put you